In this video, I'll talk about Australian Award Scholarship. Before we discuss the details here in this web page, I have summarized the details of the scholarship in this Word file. So we can see here Australian Award Scholarship fully funded. Can increase the size. Okay. Australian Award Scholarship are fully funded study opportunities funded by Government of Australia for international students. Okay. It will cover your study, living, travel related expenses for all the selected candidate, tuition, accommodation, living expenses, air tickets, health insurance, and pre-course English, research and supplementary academic support. So this scholarship will cover all these details, okay? All these expenses you can see here. This study and research opportunities provided by Australian Award Scholarship develop skills and knowledge of individuals, okay? In this post, we will discuss the eligibility criteria, benefits of the scholarship, and summary of the scholarship, deadline of the scholarship, step-by-step process how we can submit our application. So host country is Australia. You will study in Australia. Categories of the scholarship are undergraduate scholarship, postgraduate scholarship, master scholarship, and PhD scholarship. All countries are eligible to apply for the scholarship. Reward of the scholarship is full scholarship. They will cover your living stipend, accommodation, air tickets, and study material. Deadline of the scholarship is 30 April 2025. If you want to receive the notifications of the scholarship on your Word file, on your WhatsApp group, then you can join our WhatsApp group. I have added the link in the description of the video. Australian Award Scholarship details. These are some details in which they have mentioned that these scholarships are long-term award by the Department of Foreign Affairs and Trades. They contribute to the development of need for Australians partner countries in line. Okay. The study and research opportunities provided by Australian Award Scholarship are develop the skills and knowledge of individuals. Now we will discuss the eligibility requirements for the scholarship. You should be an international student from developing country. You should be a citizen of one of the participating countries, and you should meet the specific requirements of your country as required. Okay. Also, you need to accept the Australian Award Scholarship will need to sign a contract with Commonwealth of Australia declaring that they will comply with the condition of the scholarship. Scholars are required to leave Australia for a minimum of 2 years after completing their scholarship. Okay, so these are the conditions, eligibility criteria which you need to follow to submit your application. Now I'll discuss the benefits of this scholarship, the coverage of the scholarship. So the coverage of the scholarship is they will cover your tuition fee, they will cover your air tickets, okay, economy class airfare to and from Australia, establishment allowance, okay, and contribution to living expenses, and also they will cover your academic program, okay, a compulsory program period to the commencement of formal academic studies, they will cover that as well. Your overseas study health coverage, your health insurance will also be covered in this scholarship. Pre-course English fee and supplementary academic support, and also they will cover your research awards and masters by coursework which have research component where field work is compulsory. How we can apply for the scholarship? So now we go to the web page here. So this is the scholarship which we were talking about, benefits as they have discussed here, award. Now here how we can submit our application. Okay, information how to apply. So this is here they have provided the information how to apply for Australian Award Scholarship. These are some country information. We go here first. Okay, how we can apply for the scholarship. So before you apply, check the opening and closing dates of your country. So here you can check what are the dates of your country. So these are the countries, okay. Africa, and then Egypt. So if you belong from one of these countries, okay, then opening date are 1 February 2025 and closing date are 30th April 2025. And this is the contact information. If you have any questions, you can send email on that email address. Similarly, if you are from Bangladesh and Bhutan, Cambodia, you can take a look here. All the countries are mentioned here. Okay. Just taking a look that all the countries have same date, right? All the countries have 1st February 2025 and 30 April 2025. Okay, it's same date for all the countries. Okay, now select your country citizen and residency from the list, and then check the eligibility, how to apply. See participating countries page for opening and closing date, as we have discussed before. We have already saw before. And then you can refer to your relevant participating country profile here, link for application portal. Okay, and also this is applying online and this is apply by mail. If you are unable to submit your application online, you can apply by mail. And please check your participating country profile for contact details to obtain hard copy application form. Okay, and then other templates such as referee report if applicable. Okay, so you can send, if you can't submit application, for example, if you, this is the online link, okay, country wise. Okay, you can choose from which country you are. So if you can't submit application, you can see here, you can send email to them. Okay, and they will provide you one hard copy where you can fill up the details and send them back. Okay, but if you can submit, then it's good. So we can try, for example, if you are from, for example, if you're from Pakistan, then you can click here, Pakistan. And this is the information for Australia award intake commercy and information for Australian award intake. Okay, so these documents you can download, and then download, this is the PDF. Click here. Here you can see login and register. So this is, first you need to create the account and then log in and submit your application. Okay, here you need to enter your email, confirm email, family name, given name, date of birth, and your phone number, and then save, and then log in and submit your application. Okay, here I was looking at the documents. Okay, because you know, here you can see these are the documents which you need to submit. Okay, this is the selection process. Here in this PDF file, all the details have been mentioned. Okay, if you will have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching the video, And yeah, I wish all of you best of luck. Take care. Bye bye.